Hi there, YouTube friends. This is Lester Verano here, and today I've decided to do a little demonstration video and a little tool review in one. The tool that we'll be reviewing today is the Cornwell Stud Extractor Socket Set. Now, this is a metric stud remover set. This is the part number if you guys anybody ever is interested in buying these tools. Now, if you do come across a stud remover set, you want to go with metric. More so, more modern vehicles are dealing with metric, so it is understood to me from my reading. So the metric is the better way to go, depending on what year vehicle you have. So I was inspired to do this video today because I'm finding that these tools are just, I've been without them for a long time. I've been working on my own cars and doing my own work for years, and there's a lot of new tools that have been out there, for new tools to me, that have been out there for a while that I just hadn't gotten around to picking up. That now I'm finding that if you're really going to be serious about doing your own work on your own cars, that there's just certain things you got to have. So today, well, let me back up a little bit. I had used these, the first time I used these, I had broken a stud off in my exhaust manifold, and I bought this set, and it really saved my butt. I was able to remove the broken stud from the manifold with a little heat and one of these stud extractor sockets. I was able to actually get the stud out of there and finish the job, and I was thrilled that I had spent money on tools and it actually paid off for me. So now I know there's been other reviews actually done this specific set on YouTube, and that's how I learned about them. And I'm doing a review today to see if I can, maybe show you something about them that, some of the other reviewers haven't. And before this is all said and done, I'm going to actually do a live demonstration here and see if we can save this vehicle caliper right here. As you can see, there's a broken stud. I was lucky enough to have a spare caliper part laying around, so I was able to finish my job. But what if I wouldn't have had that part? Would I have been able to save this piece, or would I have had to go to the junkyard, or even worse, the dealer, to get another one? So today we're gonna, for the second time since I've owned this socket set, we're gonna put them to the test, and we're gonna heat this thing up, and we're gonna see if if we put a socket on there, if it'll actually work it out. And so we're going to get to that. One thing I don't recall seeing on any of the other demo videos or tool review videos on these stud extractor sockets is nobody's ever, I don't think, gotten up close on one of these and showed you what the inside of them really looks like. Now, I know you can kind of tell from pictures if you've been shopping for them, or if you even own them, then I guess you know. But inside of here, you can see there's like a retaining clip. It looks like you just can squeeze it and it comes out, and then you can probably take this socket apart to service it. Now, inside here, it looks like there's three cylindrical pins, steel pins, and they're smooth and flat, and they kind of wiggle around in there. When you put this thing over top of a broken stud, if you can see from here, this is a broken stud. Now, this is the biggest socket I have. It's a 12 millimeter. But when you get it over top of there, see how it moves real freely? Well, eventually it'll bite down, and those pins that are in there, they will get into a position where they will not compromise moving, and then that is how you remove a broken stud from whatever you're removing it from. So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot and see if I can save this piece. I have to get this thing really hot. thumbs coming out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's once again the Cornwell Stud extractor sockets save the day. Oh yeah, that's still hot. It's still very hot. It even made the socket hot. But as you can see, it took it out. Those stud remover sockets from Cornwell or whoever, they're the tool to have. I mean, that's, I don't have to go to the junkyard now, and I don't have to make a trip to the dealer to replace this part. So, pretty happy camper. And there's the piece right there. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, that's even better. Thanks for checking it out, and peace.